Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 40 and feel like your skincare routine needs a serious upgrade, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're diving deep into some game-changing anti-aging hacks that go way beyond just drink more water. Plus, we're going to talk honestly about Brazilian waxing for mature skin. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for these truths. Let's get started on turning back the clock, shall we? First up, let's talk about retinol. We all know it's the gold standard, but are you using it correctly? Here's a trick dermatologists swear by. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes after washing your face before applying it. Applying retinol to even slightly damp skin can increase irritation. Let your skin dry completely. This simple timing change allows the retinol to work its magic more effectively without that dreaded redness and peeling. It's a small tweak with huge results for sensitive, mature skin. Now for a Brazilian wax truth bomb. The aftercare advice you got in your 20s just doesn't cut it anymore. For those of us over 40, our skin is thinner and heals a bit differently. The real secret to preventing ingrown hairs and irritation isn't just a generic lotion. It's about gentle exfoliation starting 48 hours after your wax, and using a fragrance-free, deeply hydrating moisturizer. Look for ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid to repair that skin barrier. The goal is soothing and healing, not just treating bumps. Ready for a collagen-boosting hack that's probably hiding in your kitchen right now? Bone broth? I know, it might sound a little strange, but hear me out. A daily cup of high-quality bone broth is packed with collagen, glycine, and other amino acids that are the literal building blocks for firm, plump skin. You can make it yourself or buy good quality versions. It's an inside-out approach to anti-aging that your topical creams will thank you for. Let's talk about a simple, 3-minute nighttime habit that can completely reset your skin. It's not a complicated 10-step routine. It's facial massage. Every single night, when you're applying your serum or oil, take just 3 extra minutes to gently massage your face in upward, circular motions. This boosts circulation, helps with lymphatic drainage to reduce puffiness, and allows your products to penetrate so much deeper. It feels incredible, and the next morning glow is undeniable. So, what could your pillowcase and your face cream possibly have in common? They both need to be silky smooth. If you're investing in amazing anti-aging creams but sleeping on a rough cotton pillowcase, you're literally creating friction and sleep lines on your face every night. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase reduces that drag on your skin, helping to prevent wrinkles and ensuring your expensive creams stay on your face, not absorbed into your pillow. It's a simple swap for smoother skin. Let's get back to exfoliation. For mature skin, the timing is everything. Over-exfoliating can strip your skin's delicate barrier, but under-exfoliating leaves a dull layer that prevents your products from working. So what's the sweet spot? For most people over 40, exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week with a gentle chemical exfoliant, like lactic or mandelic acid, is perfect. And always do it at night. This gives your skin the entire night to repair and regenerate, revealing a brighter complexion by morning without causing daytime sensitivity. Here's a hack you might not have heard of: layering your mists. Instead of just one spritz of a hydrating toner, try layering. After cleansing, spritz your face, pat it in, and then immediately apply your hyaluronic acid serum while your skin is still damp. Then, spritz again after your serum to lock in all that hydration. This moisture sandwich technique plumps up fine lines instantly and keeps your skin dewy all day long. And for our final tip, let's connect the dots. The ultimate anti-aging hack is consistency. It's not about one magic product, but about creating these small, consistent habits. That 3-minute massage, the silk pillowcase, the bone broth. They all work together. Think of it as building a beautiful house. Each habit is a brick. One brick doesn't do much, but over time, they create a strong, resilient, and beautiful structure. Your skin is no different. Commit to these small changes, and you will see a transformation. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and exploring these skin secrets. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to try them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next one. I'd love to hear which hack you're going to try first, so drop a comment below. See you soon.